go like that. Yeah. You can still hold it.
Let go, I mean, like, don't keep pulling. Don't keep pushing.
What do you think?
It was awesome.
Was it easy?
Yeah.
Really?
It's just like a bike, except for you don't pedal.
Cool.
And it's heavier.
Miss Stacy's next.
Jack,
Doesn't it?
move off to the side.
Kick this gear down.
Put your foot on the
Better get away from her, even Grandma.
Okay, now, when you blow the gas, it's going to start going. We're going to turn to the left and you're going to go this way, okay? Go ahead, give it a little bit of gas. Don't turn too much. Just go straight.
Like a pro. Look at that.
Look at that.
The heck? Is it in their blood?
I don't know.
Pop-Up, what do you think? Is it in their blood?
Give it some gas.
Ah! Oh, our foot's under. It's okay. Pappy's gonna get it. You're all right. You're okay. It's all right. You're okay.
Good job, Jordan.
Nice job. Get back on there.